Hey everyone, I just want to show you a project I've been working on. It's a sampler for my improv group, Ad Liberation. We're at adliberation.net, facebook.com/adliberation, and on Twitter at adlibimprov. Anyway, aside from the whoring the group out, wanted to incorporate music into the show. Not just me, but I think a lot of people did. But not everybody can play music, and definitely not everybody in the group can play music. So I decided to make a sampler so it would be easy for us to just be able to hit a button and have music come out of it, add it to the scene, and not actually have to play it live. Basically, here it is. I used a MIDI controller and have everything labeled. So if you look right here, you have sound effects, and they have been labeled in pink. Then you have background noises and music, and it's labeled in orange. And then emotional music, and it's labeled in green. Now, I used a program called PD to program everything in. It's a graphical programming language, which is why you don't have lines of code. But, show you here, that's what it looks like, if it'll focus, and it won't. So yeah, anyway, it took me a while, but I finally got it working. And if you hit a key, it's pretty simple. That's why I think it'll work well in shows. Say we hit a phone ring, and you hear a phone ring, and when you let go, it immediately stops, just in case maybe something goes wrong, you hit the wrong sound effect. It stops immediately. For these are just normal background sounds like a forest or a construction site, and these will loop as well as fade out, so it's not as sharp of an ending. So let's do a construction site. And then you hear it fade out. And then if it hits the end of the file, it will also repeat it without having to hit it again. Now these are the really cool ones. These are the emotional sounds that we'll use during certain moments when we deem appropriate. And you see there's only 4, but there's actually multiple songs linked to each key. And they're randomly selected when you hit it. So if I hit sad, a sad song will play, and then it will fade out. Now if I hit sad again, hopefully it won't select the same random number, and it'll play a different song. And it did. So yeah, that's my project. We have 2 shows this weekend, and at least for the Friday show, I think it'll be used, and I hope it'll turn out well, and those shows will be online on our website. So check it out, see how it works, and I'm hoping that this wasn't a big waste of time.